Hello guys, and today I'm going to try some vegan food. Now, basically this is expired. It's currently the 31st. This expired on the 27th. And I got this much cheaper because it was about to expire that day. It has now expired. This meal would normally have cost £2.50. I got it for 25p. And they say Plant Chef Spicy Edamame. I've never heard of I don't know what they mean by Edamame. Noodles, okay? So, they say it's cooked. I can't pronounce a lot of this, so bear in mind. Cooked vermicelli. I have no idea if that's correct. Noodles with bean sprouts, carrot, and edamame. I've never heard of edamame. Cream and ginger sauce, topped with red chili rings. Okay? And this is a microwave meal that you're supposed to put in the microwave, okay? So, first I take off the plastic sleeve. Then I get a fork. And you're meant to stab this. And now I'm going to put it in the microwave. Now, this is for people who complained the last time, okay? The last time I think I did a meal, I think it was the last time, I basically put one of them. I did basically some sausages, mash and peas, and somebody complained that I microwaved the mash. Now clearly they were complaining I didn't microwave the entire meal, right? So this time there's an entire microwave meal, okay, where the whole meal is microwaved, okay? Now I'm going to put this in the microwave now, and then after I put it in the microwave I'm going to lift the lid off and eat it, okay? Right, now I've got it out of the microwave and left it for about a couple of minutes. You're actually supposed to leave it in the microwave for 2 minutes before getting it out, but I didn't bother with that just because of filming. So now I'm going to pull this plastic off and stir it, okay? Again, I'm not sure if this is what you're meant to eat with chopsticks or not, but anyway. As I said, over here most people eat things with knives and forks, so I'm just going to eat this with a fork. I think this might be the... let's see, does it have any? Yeah, so this might be the chili. So this, it says red chili, so I think this might be the chili. And this is the noodles. These are the green beans. Yes, I know normally you would take the whole thing off, but I'm struggling to do this. I could do it with, but it'll do for me. Okay, so
It does taste a bit strange, I won't deny it. Well, unusual might be the word. I don't think I'm used to this kind of thing, but I don't know the ethnicity of this. I'm not sure if these are rice noodles. It says they're vermicelli noodles. I don't know what that means, but never mind. Do I think it's worth £2.50? Truthfully, no, but it might be if you're a vegan or if you're of a certain ethnicity that's used to eating this kind of thing. To be honest, I preferred bangers and mash, to be honest, even though I didn't eat it, but every country has their own culture, I guess, you know, what they like. Despite the fact it does have some curries, some chilies apparently, my mouth isn't exploding, so I don't think it's like a vindaloo or anything, but it is starting to get a bit warm, you know, regarding the chilies. And I've got some little bits of carrot. That's the orange carrot. I don't know if you can see it or not. Oh, it's got noodles around it, but that's the carrot with noodles around it. Carrots, noodles, these little green beans. They look almost like what we would call kidney beans, but I don't know. No, not kidney beans, sorry, broad beans. I'm not sure. No. I don't know, maybe I'm talking complete rubbish. I think I am actually. So as I said, I think that's the red chilies, I think. I don't think they mentioned any red pepper in here, so it's got all sorts of strange stuff. I mean, it says it's got spring onion, which I can't see any. I think maybe they've, you know, chopped it all up and, you know, blended it in some way. If my mum tasted this, she'd probably feel like vomiting, because it's the sort of food which is really strange for her and the sort of thing she wouldn't like. Okay. I won't bore you anymore with me eating any more of that, but basically this is vegan food, okay? Not because I've become a vegan, but it just happened to be a very cheap meal, and I just wondered what it would be like, okay? Because normally it would be £2.50, but because it was in a sale, it was 25p, okay? As I said, it's Tesco branded. It might grow on me, I don't know. This might be a bit of a grower, I'm not sure. Anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.